It's day 3 and I'm going to be cleaning my dish cupboard. This is it. This is where I keep all of my dishes, I guess, or some of the dishes. This is a countertop, and this is just above the counter space like this. And so this is a cupboard I'm cleaning. This is where I keep my plates and stuff and my big bowls. And so I'm going to clean this out. I'm going to also wipe down the cupboard doors. I'm going to be using the same solution that I've been using on the other 2 cupboards. You saw that video. Go and check it out. I'll put the link below to those videos where I clean my spice cupboard and also my condiments cupboard. So I'm just gonna wipe this down. This is how I'm starting to do it, so that I don't feel overwhelmed. Christmas is just around the corner and I just want to get a head start on this, right? Because how often do we clean these cupboards? I try and clean them maybe every 3 months, but I haven't gotten to it for a long time. So this is it. I'm just gonna wipe down and then sort of straighten up a little bit. Okay, so here we go. I'm gonna start by taking this out. This cupboard is not a big deal, I don't think, to clean. It's spacious, and yeah, I don't think I need to do too much of anything in here.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do.
So these are the dishes that were in this cupboard, my friends. I put my plates in and my big bowls into this cupboard that I just cleaned. So I'm going to call that the dish cupboard. And before I put them back, I'm just going to wipe them down a little bit, put them back on the shelf. And it doesn't matter because before we use any of the dishes to eat from, we always make sure we rinse them out or give them a good wash before we start. So I'm just going to wipe them down, put them back, and just finished up. Okay, these dishes I won't be putting back. My daughter doesn't really like them anymore. She thinks the color blue or this color dishes kind of trigger her, and so I'm going to replace those with some different ones, right? And okay, so let me just finish up. It's nice and clean in there. Yeah, wow. And I did do the outside of the cupboards as well, and wipe down to that solution. That solution of baking soda and Dawn dish soap is a good solution for getting off spots and degrease in cupboards. So okay, so let me put these back. Okay, there we are, my friends. This is it, my cupboard, nice and clean. This is where I keep my plates and my big bowls. Now this is all nice and clean. As I said, I did get rid of the blue dishes that I have. Instead of keeping them there, I kind of replaced them with these white ones. I'm going to be donating these yeah, to my local thrift shop. Hopefully somebody else can get good use of it. So this is it, my friends, nice and clean. I did wipe down the cupboard, write down the doors and stuff, and I did put up this, I can't remember what it's called, but it helps to kind of keep things vertically. And I got this from the Dollar Tree, and I put the small bowls on top and then the smaller plates at the bottom, right? And then these are my big dinner plates, and these are like the lunch plates slash breakfast, right? So there we are. The cupboard is nice and clean. As I told you, I used baking soda and dish soap, Dawn dish soap to be specific, and it's nice and clean in here, and that's how I like it, nice, crisp and clean. this is it, my friends. Not much is in there. This suits my family, nice and clean. I did give the doors a nice, the outside of the doors a nice little scrub as well, so everything is nice and clean. So I love it. I think this year also I'm going to change these handles as well because I don't like them anymore. It's nice and clean. And as I said, if you get easily overwhelmed, I suggest that you do one cupboard at a time. I'm going to put a link to my videos where I did my spice cupboard and also the condiments cupboard were done yesterday, and so I'm on to my dish cupboard, right? So I'm doing one cupboard at a time so that I don't feel overwhelmed. Christmas is coming, so I started with the kitchen to deep clean the kitchen, and I'm doing one cupboard at a time. I still have maybe about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cupboards left, my friends, but I want to do one cupboard a day, right? So stick with me. Thank you for coming along and help me to do this. And honestly, I don't feel overwhelmed. I'm doing, as I said, I'm doing one cupboard at a time, and it feels like nothing. This cupboard did not take long. As you notice, there's not much things in there, and it wasn't super dirty, right? So that's it. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.